these wooden logs over here, I think these are the remains of old wood ties that once carried the weight of the locomotives and freight trains that once ran right through here, where the South Amboy coal train yard used to be, and the shops. Gotta be careful walking through these weeds because there's ticks. Yeah, there's where the South Amboy power plant was. I think these here are pieces of the old coal train yard that used to be here. The iron port. And this is where the train tracks would run through and where the locomotives would park their engines in the sheds. Some scrap right there, probably part of the train yard. There's some concrete and some metal that they dug up of the coal iron train port. There used to be coal dumpers back here, where the coal dumpers would unload the coal to the trains. They would unload the coal from the trains and they would dump the coal cars upside down into the waiting barges. Yeah, that's where they're building all the new apartments here too. Right there. There's all the train, I think the train tracks used to come right through here. They tore it all up and now it's all, and they tore down all the sheds, demolished them, and now it's all brush, vegetation, and scrubs. There's where the South Amboy power plant building used to be, and what's left of it. So this is basically all that's left. Trees, brush, it all continues to eat away at the crumbling buildings of where the old coal maintenance train yard and the iron port once used to be, where it once stood.